Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astragalus root powder. Astragalus is a powerful adaptogenic herb, traditionally valued for its immune-boosting properties and ability to support overall well-being. This fine powder form makes it incredibly versatile for daily use. It's a fantastic way to easily incorporate this ancient root into your routine, helping you feel more balanced and energized. When starting with Astragalus powder, a typical daily dose is between 1 and 3 grams. You can easily measure this with a small spoon or a kitchen scale. To prepare, simply mix the powder into a glass of warm water, a smoothie, or even a cup of tea. Stir it well until fully dissolved, ensuring a smooth and pleasant drink. Consistency is key for experiencing its full benefits. Beyond basic drinks, Astragalus powder is wonderfully versatile in the kitchen. Try blending 1 or 2 grams into your morning smoothie for an easy immune-supporting kick. You can also stir it into warm soups, stews, or broths, adding a subtle, earthy flavor and a nutritional boost. For a comforting option, simply infuse it into hot water with a squeeze of lemon for a soothing tea. Before incorporating Astragalus powder into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Store your powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. Pay attention to how your body responds. While generally well-tolerated, individual reactions can vary. Your well-being is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.